Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, this is JS Made Simple and we make videos to help you master tools like QGIS and become confident in the world of geospatial analysis. So in today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and commonly used tools in the spatial analysis, that is the Intersect tool in QGIS. So whether you are working on land use planning or environmental assessments or just exploring the overlaps between two spatial layers, understanding how to use intersect properly is the key. So I will walk you through what the intersect tool does, when and why you should use it, and most importantly, a step-by-step demo using a dataset prepared by me so you can see it in action. So if you are ready to level up your QGIS skills and bring more meaning to your spatial data, make sure to watch till the end. So let's get started. So as you have seen in the previous video, the first process in QGIS is to add the layers. So go to the layers and add the layer. So I have basically prepared two shapefiles. The shapefiles are made of polylines. So I'm going to add vector layer and I'm going to browse to my file. So my file is named as one is the block files, block polygons, and the other one is the area polygons. So I'm just opening both of them, add, close. So as you can see, the two layers have been added. Now let us open the attribute table and see what are inside. So this is the block polygons. Basically, I have created some polylines. So it's just the entity is polyline, but I'm just mentioning it as polygon because it looks like one. So the basically we have made different types of blocks, and I have named the blocks so that it will be easy to understand. The same thing in areas we have, if you see the attribute table, we have three areas. Let me also tell you one more thing. So how to categorize the different layers within a layer. So what we will do, you'll go to properties, you go to symbology. In the symbology, you have the single symbol, right? You have to go to categorized and you have to select the header of the attribute table on the basis of which you have to categorize. So we are going to click layers and you just click classify. So as you can see, it has identified the unique values among all these things and it is classifying the layers. So click on apply and as you can see, it has been categorized. The same thing we are going to apply for the area polygons. Just going to their properties, go to symbology, the same thing, go to categorize, click on the layer. So we are going to layer it based on the uh, layer name. So we are going to click here, click on classify. It has found three unique areas, and we'll just apply and just click on OK. So now you can find out that this is area 1, area 2, area 3, whatever. So yeah, you can see area 1, area 2, area 3. So now we are going to perform the intersect operation in QGIS. So there are two methods to do this. So already I had explained to you, like, so the first thing is, if you want to use some features in QGIS, you have to go to the processing and then go to the toolbox and then key in the word here. So here we will type intersect. So when you click intersect and click, it will open the intersection option. The another way to do the same operation is, all these are vector operations. So what we are going to do, you're going to vector, you're going to geoprocessing tools and go to intersection. Both are one and the same. So basically what are going to do in the intersect, as it is mentioned here in the right side. So what it is going to do, it is going to extract the overlapping portion between the input and the overlay layer. So we have to we have to input two layers. One is the input layer and the other one is the overlay layer. So the first input layer will be my blocks. The blocks are falling under the areas. So I'm clicking on the areas. So after that, what I'm going to do, right now I'm making it as a temporary file. I'm just clicking the run. As you can see, the intersect operation has been finished within seconds. So just close it and you can see the attribute table of this intersect. Go to this. As you can see, now the intersect operation has divided the blocks which are coming under different areas. So the block 4 is coming under the area 2, block 5 under area 1. So it has categorized the blocks based on the area. So why this tool is useful? Let us say if you have some areas, if you want to find out the areas that are coming under a particular zone, so what you will be doing is you have to use this intersect option, and in our case this is a polyline, so we don't have a area for it. So if it is a polygon, we end up getting an area. So that area can be used in the analysis, like how many areas of how many blocks of these buildings are coming under a particular area, for example. So in terms of utilities perspective, where it can be used is it can be used in the irrigation demand calculation. So just imagine if you are getting some landscape data, you have different species within a particular zone, and you have to estimate how many species are there within a particular zone. So there, this intersect tool will prove to be useful. So that's all about this video. Like in this video, we learned how to use the intersect operation through a data set. So I hope you have learned something through this video, and stay tuned to our channel. We'll come back with more videos, and please let us know if you want videos in the comments. So we will work on that and we'll try to make a video out of that. So thank you for watching. That's it.